I'm also a female racing driver, racing against all the guys. I started when I was 9 years old, very small, almost like your Api standing over there. Racing long time. I've got a racing team over here, as you can see. I think motorsport for me is to give you an aim. Everybody wants to be somewhere in life, and I think it gives you that vision. And like my father told me, he said, if you don't do good at school, you cannot go racing. So I think for all of you that aspire to go somewhere, it doesn't matter what you do or where you want to be, important is to be good at school. Because when you're good at school, you can go anywhere. You can spread your wings and you can go anywhere you want to. So this is what we want to do with motorsport as well. So if I can call my drivers out to come and introduce themselves. Come. There we go. There we go. Rafi over here is only 7. 7, right? 8 There we go. There we go. Give away. Give away. Well, there we go. We've got Tiago over here. He's just turned 13. Nono over there. He's still 12. Hey. And Leroy is 14. He's the oldest one in our group. So he sort of leads the young ones as to where they need to go.
Hello. My name is Tiago, and I race that car over there, number 59. I've started recently in February karting, and it hasn't been easy. I've always had problems. Every race, something's gone wrong. But I'm just grateful to be here, and you guys are great.